Okay guys, let's start to do this. So check your answer guys for question number 8. This is your index number, topic 5, index number. Okay, now so if you look at the part A, uh, they gave you all this information. They gave you weight and index. Whenever you saw this weight and index, the only formula that you have to use is WPI. Okay, WPI formula, which is total WI over total W. So this is the formula you have to use. So that is the one they want you to calculate in your part 1. Okay, calculate the weighted index of industrial production, okay, for this entire industry. So what do you guys do? Very simple. Let me erase this first. Do the working over here because we want the WI. So because your A number 1, the WPI formula is total WI over total W. So what do you guys do? Very simple. Weight times index. So you just times all this times how much you get. Then you guys total up how much. Then also total up the weight as well, how much. So you get, first one is 22736, seventeen 433, 17112, 27846, 17,500. Then you guys total up all these. This should give you 102,627. And if you guys total up this, should give you 900. So over here we're going to take 102,627 divided by 900. Now for this formula, please don't times 100 because index is already percentage, so you don't times 100. So you will get 114%.03. So this will be your final answer for your part A1. Done. Okay, so you do this, you get 6 marks. Now number 2, state the percentage increase in industrial production from 2000 to 2012. So basically your part 2 is comment. So the comment is inflation of industry production has increased by 14.03%. So this is how you guys do lah. Okay, number 2 done. Settle. Okay, Now B1, in your B1, an index of retail price is 140 in 2005, 2000 equals to 100, and 120 in 2010, 2005 equals to 100. So what happened is actually here, let me put it here, B1, 2005 over 2000 times 100 and 2010 over 2005 times 100. This part and this part. This part goes here, this part goes here. Okay. So if you convert that into a value, what happens here is basically for 2005 is actually 140 for 2005 over 2000 times 100, and over here is actually 120 for 2010 over 2005 times 100. So what they want in the required, okay, so we already construct all these, the information we already put it as a formula here. In your B1, calculate the index of a retail price 2010 with 2000 as the base here. So very simple, they want you to calculate index 2010 over 2000 times 100. Okay, so what happens here, we have 2010 but we don't have 2000, okay, because what they mention here is 2000 equivalent to 100, but there is no value equivalent to 100, which is 140 over 2000, so there is no value here. So we need to do some reverse calculation. So how you do reverse calculation is basically you take 140 times 120, these two you times each other, divide, they already mentioned here 2000 is equivalent to 100, correct? So you divide 100, that will give you the answer. How much? So you get 168%. Check. Guys, can okay, so that's B number 1 done. B number 2, okay, so B number 2, give a full interpretation of your answer. That means they want you to give comment again. So again, the inflation has increased by 68% from here, okay, 68%. So that's all. So we are done with this question.